Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gosht ka Achar. To begin, ensure you have 1 kilogram of boneless meat, cut into 1-inch cubes. You'll also need a vibrant blend of aromatic spices, such as red chili powder and turmeric, to give our pickle its signature flavor. Don't forget 1 cup of mustard oil and 1/4 cup of fresh ginger garlic paste, essential for a rich base. Next, let's prepare our meat. Marinate the 1 kilogram of meat with the ginger garlic paste and a pinch of salt for about 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Then, transfer the marinated meat to a pressure cooker with 1 cup of water. Cook it until it becomes perfectly tender, ensuring it's fully cooked through but still retains its distinct shape for the pickle. Now for the heart of our achar, the masala. Begin by lightly roasting and then grinding whole spices such as fenugreek seeds and cumin seeds to release their aromas. In a pan, heat the 1 cup of mustard oil and temper it with fresh curry leaves and a few dried red chilies. Finally, add your freshly ground spices and cook them gently for about 2 minutes until wonderfully fragrant. We're almost there. Gently combine your tender, cooked meat with the aromatic achar masala, ensuring every piece is coated beautifully. To complete the pickle and aid in preservation, stir in 1/4 cup of vinegar. Once mixed, transfer your delicious Gosht ka Achar into a clean, airtight jar. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.